How to fix this application is not available for your device. Firstly, you need to check the device compatibility. Sometimes it's not compatible with your device or even not available in some regions. So make sure to search for the app and check for device compatibility. If it's not available or compatible, it will not have the install option. If it has the install option but it's still not installing, then follow these steps. Firstly, you need to clear your Play Store cache. Navigate to your Play Store app, tap and hold on it and click on the eye icon at the top right corner. In your app info, scroll down and click on Storage. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. Sometimes minor issues like this can get fixed with a simple restart, so make sure to give your device a quick restart. Now check if the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed yet, then open Play Store, go to your home page. At the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now switch your Gmail ID. If you have other Gmail ID, then log in from them and try again. After following these steps, your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.